Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Clone Phone app on any Android phone. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung phone and open the Settings applications. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your device. Step 2. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. This section contains extra tools and options for your phone. Step 3. Once you're in Advanced Features, scroll down to find the Dual Messenger option and tap on it. This is the feature that allows you to clone apps. Here, you'll see a list of apps that support cloning. Remember, only certain apps like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, or Telegram will appear here. Step 4. From the list, find the app you want to clone. For example, if you want to use 2 Facebook accounts on the same phone, toggle the switch next to Facebook, then tap Install. Wait a few moments for the installation to finish. Step 5. After it's installed, go back to your apps drawer. You'll now see 2 icons for the same app. The second one will have a small orange symbol in the corner to show it's the cloned version. Tap the cloned app, log in with your second account, and you're ready to use both accounts side by side. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.